guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Gummy or Rin. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the Gummy gang. So today we'll be doing a little bit something different than we usually do. Of course, it seems to be a normal thing for my channel, but anywho, we're going to be unboxing and trying out kawaii haul from Shein. Like, I got a whole bunch of random cute little gadgets and random stuff, but they're really cute. So let's hop right into the video, guys. Okie dokie, so the first thing that I got, I actually did get a lot of different bottles and cups. So yeah, this is just one of the many that I did get. Oh, it has a little crack on here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh no. But it says pause the. What? Wait. I need to get it in the lights. Pause the what? Pause the what? I don't understand it. I don't know if you'll be able to see because the light is like reflecting, but it says pause the, like pause the what exactly? I'm gonna say this one's a bust. Firstly, there's a crack in the cup. Secondly, I don't think the people that made this were English because it doesn't make sense. Well, to me it doesn't at least. But it's a really cute little, like, pastel purpley pink. I don't know what color you want to call this, but it's like a pastel pink. But, yeah. It doesn't stink at least. I don't know if it actually closes properly. I hope it does. I will maybe try and use this if it actually closes properly, even though it says pause the on it. And there's a little bit of a crack over there. Right there, you can see it. So that was pretty sad. This one's a bust. But, you know, why not? It's cute though. Look at it. It's so cute. Okie dokie. Let's get on to the next item of today's haul. Is this a paper straw? Oh no, it's a paper straw. Oh my. I hate paper straws. With a passion. I really don't like paper straws. Aww. It's a little bear. Like, if I didn't break the straw, I'm obviously not going to use this. I have my own straws that I use. Excuse me? I don't... Oh, you're supposed to take it out. Okay. But look how adorable he is. He's a little gummy bear. And you can like fill it up. I'll probably put my energy drinks in this. When I'm streaming, I'll probably put my energy drinks in him and just like slurp him up. So this is really cute. The only thing I don't like is you get a paper straw with it. Like, who uses paper straws these days? But other than that, he is adorable. I freaking love him. Look at him. I think it won't leak. I have gotten one of these before and they did leak. So I hope... What's on his nose here? There's like a little mark right here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. But yeah, it looks like he has a little bit of a scratch on his nose over here, right there. But he's really freaking cute, and I can't wait to try him out. I just really hope that he doesn't leak. Because if he leaks, other than from the top, of course. If he leaks, I'm going to be pretty sad. Because it's such a cute little jar. Look at him. I love it so much. This is definitely a yes. Since I got so many, like, bottles and cups, I decided to get me some coasters. And I'm not gonna lie, when I saw the pictures of these, they looked way cuter in the pictures than they do in person. How do you open this? So, yeah, but they're so cute though. Like, this one's a little teddy bear. Like, Let me take them out of the freaking plastic. Because my light is reflecting on it. I am so sorry. There we go. Oh, it's really floppy. Oh! It stinks. It really stinks. Oh gosh. It really stinks, but it's really cute. And you can take your cup and put it on top of it. Ooh. So it doesn't mess up your desk. Recently I've been having a lot of water bottles on my desk and it's kind of messed up my mouse pad. So I'm actually really glad I got this. I'm really glad that I got this. I am so sorry if you hear a clinking sound in the back of my background. My fan is on because it's really freaking hot in my room right now. And I think it's broken. So I do apologize that it's so freaking annoying. But I'm so sorry. So yeah, this is one of them. And then the other one, I hope this one doesn't stink too. I really hope it doesn't stink. Okay. It really stinks. I'm probably gonna wash this in water, but look at it! Oh my god, look at this little guy. Oh, he's adorable. He stinks, I'm not gonna lie. He really does stink, but he's so freaking cute. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely gonna be using both of these on my desk, and I cannot freaking wait to use them. I'm just gonna wash them off with a lot of soap first, because they really do freaking stink. I don't know why they smell like this. Ugh. But other than the smell, they're really cute. Look at them. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm kind of excited for this one. I actually got tattoos. I obviously do have tattoos, but I saw these. And there's a beautiful wolf on here. Let me take it out the freaking paper, else it's gonna reflect the whole time. Look how beautiful these are. Oh my god. Especially this wolf one and this lotus. I think it's a lotus flower. I don't know what it is, but I cannot freaking wait to try these on. And if you guys would like to see, I was actually thinking of doing this in a stream because I got this baby and this one. If I am correct, it goes right under your tibbies, your girls, I don't know what you want to call them, your boobs. And I thought it looked so freaking gorgeous. So I really definitely want to try this one. This one though, I'm probably going to do on a stream. So if you guys think that's a good idea, or if you'd like me to do most of them on a stream and try to do random places on my body, and you guys can tell me where do you want me to put them. Because I love tattoos. So this one, and especially this one here, I cannot wait to try this one. This one is gonna be fun. So yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. So the next one isn't really something cute, but I didn't actually get sunglasses on Shein before, and I was really curious as to how they are. So I ordered myself a pair. Because they're either really good quality or they're really bad quality, apparently. At least it gives you one of these. I don't know what these things are called, the little cloths to clean the lenses. At least they gave you that much. So these are how it looks. Oh, this one's a bit stiff. This one's loose, and then this one's But other than that, let's see. Let me not have my PC reflecting on these glasses right now. But other than that, these are pretty cute. I would actually wear these. What do you guys think? Can you see myself in my PC right now? What do you guys think? Is it a yes or is it a no? The only thing I don't like is that it is a bit loose on my face, but I don't mind that because I actually have this random annoying thing with shades, is that whenever I wear them, I always get a headache if I wear them for too long, if they're too tight over here by my ears. So I'm actually kind of happy that they are not that tight. But the thing is, if I turn around or if I do something, I am probably going to turn around and they're gonna fly off my face, and I really hope that doesn't happen. But as for the shades themselves, I will actually get myself another pair. Plus it came in this really cute little bag, like look at it. Only thing is it says Shein on it, so that's one thing, but I didn't really mind it. Okay, and then the next thing. I got this makeup bag. I have gotten a few makeup bags. Ooh. Sorry. I don't want to do ASMR today. I have gotten a few like different makeup bags from Shein before, but when I saw this, I had to get it. Look how pretty it is, like the mandala. I freaking love it. Look. It's so gorgeous, and the quality is so good. The zipper actually works, and it's actually quite a little space in here. There's not a lot of space, I'm lying. This is actually pretty small. I thought it like opened up at the bottom, but it doesn't. But other than that, I'm probably just gonna use this for when I'm like going on trips or whatever and need to put my makeup brushes in a bag, because unfortunately I don't have a bag for my makeup brushes, so I'm probably gonna use this one because it's nice and small. And it's just really freaking cute. Look at it. I'm obsessed with this. I freaking love any type of tapestries. I've gotten so many tapestries from Shein before, and I freaking love them. I cannot get enough of them. But this I can't wait to use this. Of course, if I'm getting kawaii things off of Shein, of course I'm going to get myself a little boba keychain. Oh no. It has a crack in it. It's broken! No! Oh man. That is so sad. But look, other than the crack, there we go. Look how cute this is. Look at it. Oh my god. Let me move that side. And there's like little sprinkles on top of it over here. And the mini straw. It doesn't actually come out. But it's an actual straw though. Oh my gosh. It's an actual straw. I'm so sad that it actually broke though. Like, that is really sad. Because this thing is so freaking cute. If you know me, I love anything boba. And this is just so freaking cute. It looks adorable. Oh my god. So this is adorable. I just don't like the way it's broken. But, you know, it's still cute though, even though it is a bit broken. Still cute. So, coming on to the second last thing of today's haul. If I can get the box open. Open sesame. Oh! Wait. Let me just check my box in there. This is actually really adorable. As soon as I saw this, I had to get it for myself because it is so adorable. Like, I don't know where this thing goes. I'm guessing it's like there, I think, so that it stops the bottle from leaking. I think. It's not really holding itself in the bottle cap. But anyway, it is a little strawberry milk. It has Japanese kanji or whatever over here, and it has these cute little strawberries, and it's just a cute little bottle. Like, I fell in love with this bottle when I saw it because it was so cute, and it comes with this little carrier thing. I probably won't use the carrier, but it is so cute. You just pop it around it, and there you go. You can go on a hike with your strawberry milk, because people totally do that. And there you go. Plus this lanyard is so freaking cute. It has like these little strawberry watermelon, it has like watermelon pictures on it. It's actually really cute. I like it. Oh, that's gonna get annoying. Like, if you use this and you're walking around and the bottle's too heavy, this will definitely come off very easy. So that wasn't very smart of them, unless I'm not doing it correctly. Maybe I'm supposed to like pull it like down here. or something. I have no idea. But other than that, I'm probably not even going to use a lanyard. But this is so freaking cute. I think I've said that way too much in this video, but it's just really cute. Tell me otherwise. Look at it. Oh my god. I think I have a thing for cute things. It's... I cannot wait to use this. Oh my god. Juice content is 12% apparently. That doesn't make sense, but so thought that counts. Okay, so I left the best thing for last. I would like to get back into doing cooking streams. I haven't really done cooking streams on my Twitch, but when I eventually move, sometime at the end of this year or next year, I'm going to start probably doing cooking streams or baking streams or whatever. So I got myself an apron. But the thing is, just get a load of this apron, okay? Do you get it? Okay, it's kind of like there. Oh, wait. Let me see if I can match it up with my legs. Oh my god. So yeah, I decided to get this beautiful this beautiful apron because, like, hell yeah, especially if any of my guy friends are over at my house and I have to, like, if they have to cook for me, I'm gonna totally give them this apron to wear. And it's just going to be super amazing. Like, oh my god. So if any of my guy friends are watching this, just know that this is more for you than for me. But other than that, yeah. It has a bit of an odd smell, but it's nothing a wash couldn't take out, so I can just chuck it in the wash and it'll be fine. So guys, that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I do apologize again for the annoying fan in the background. But other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing week, and if you have not already, please subscribe and join the Gummy fam, and I'll see you in next week's video. Ciao!